Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the underturn. Now the underturn I find is one of those strokes in that we learn with brush pen calligraphy that really is so critical in the development of your skills. So what you need to do is understand how important that transition is with your underturn. It will really have an impact if you perfect that transition. It will have an impact on all of your strokes. Okay, let's take a look at the underturn by itself. I push, I release, and I climb up again. Push, release, and climb up again. So what I want you to do is look at the word underturn and look how many times I have this transition. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like it happens so often in every word we write. So that transition right here is so critical. Now, depending on what brush pen you're using, no matter what, here's a small brush tip pen. I'll just show you the difference in size. I'm going to write half the size with the small brush tip pen, but the transition is the same. So I want you to focus. I'll do a big one just to show you. You can write bigger with the small brush tip pen, but I don't usually. So I want you to focus on this area of your underturns and practice every day. I'm just going to flip this around. Practice every day so that you see this triangle right there. I'm going to grab a lighter pen, this one. And it doesn't matter if your pen is soft, like a lot of my pens are getting older and they're softer. You want a thick and thin line. You can see this is a little bit sketchy because I am releasing the pressure too much. You can keep your pressure on that upstroke so it's nice and smooth, but you are still going to create this triangle right here, your underturns. So release pressure here, create this triangle, move your pen slowly. So we're not rushing beginning to end, we're moving it slowly so that we can get that nice release. This is a little bit late actually. So let's try another one. Push, release, release, that's better. And then when you are at the baseline, which is this bottom line, it is only the tip of your pen touching the baseline and moving across it a little bit. Some of you will have an issue going up like this. I use this for the more bouncy style, and you have a V. I would like you to focus on having two parallel lines and moving across that baseline. Push, release, move across, and come up. So don't forget that movement across is with the tip of your pen. So on the underturn, on this baseline, we have only the tip of the pen. And if you have the tip of the pen on that baseline, your underturns will look nice and clean. So give it a try, do your drills, draw your underturns every day with your brush pens, and you will see a big improvement as you go along. Thanks for watching.